Let's put it back in now. Oh, right.
Okay, push on the one you want.
Oh, okay, I want, candy bar. What is this? What is this? It's a banana. What is it? That's not candy bar. That is a banana.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
Okay, baby Seth, let's go wait for your brother. Your brother, SuperBaby Color. He's not here yet, huh? Nope. He's not here yet, nope. He should be coming. Big brother should be coming soon. Oh, there he is. There's big brother. Here comes big brother. How was school, big brother?
Good.
Good? You had a fun ride back home?
Yeah.
Did you get lost at all?
No.
You took the back road?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow. That thing was fast, huh? You came home fast. You just got out of school like what? 10 minutes ago? 10 minutes, right?
No.
So that thing brought you back home quick.
No, 1 minute ago.
Oh, 1 minute ago? Wow, that thing's super quick then, huh? Awesome. You wanna get some snack?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, look at what happened. What? Why are you going backward? Where are you going? Okay, show me 360 real fast. Then we'll get snack. Yay! That's cool. Whoa, double. Awesome. Yeah, let's go up there. Let's go up there. Come on. Let's sit there. Whoa, watch out. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, big brother. You wait here, right? Big brother, you wait here, okay?
Yeah.
I'll go get the snack and water from the vending machine, okay?
Okay.
And I'll take baby Seth, so just wait here, okay? So fix your charge your 360, okay? Got it?
I auto charge.
Oh, your auto charger?
Yeah.
It's pretty fast, huh? Yeah, see the lights on right there.
But I need to turn it off.
Yeah. Okay, I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
Come on, baby Seth, let's go. We'll go get some snack. Alright, baby Seth, are you ready to go? To the vending machine? Yeah, you ready to go vending machine. Let's go. Oh, right, here's the vending machine. Oh, look, the computer's on already. Oh, hi, computer. Hi. Oh, I guess you don't want to say hi, huh? Yeah, you look mean. That vending machine look mean, yeah.
Down here.
Huh? Card and cash. Let's see. Let's see if I got cash.
$1.
$1? Oh, let me see I have $1. $1. Let me look at my pocket right now. Hang on.
Buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one free? Awesome! Here it is. Here's my $1. Huh? How come it's going? What? I think it's this way.
Wait, something's wrong with my vending machine. I need to fix it. Okay, I fixed it. Now I took out all the money.
Alright, let's put it back in now. Alright!
Okay, push on the one you want.
Oh, okay, I want, candy bar.
Wait.
Okay, it's coming now? Oh, what? That is not, what? That's a banana! What is this? What is this? It's a banana! What is it? That's not candy bar! That is a banana! That's a banana, look! No, I don't want a banana, I want a candy bar. Yeah, I'll get back to you. What? How you hanging out TV?
Hello, sir.
What?
Hello, sir.
Hello, banana. Let me see. I want a candy bar. Let me push again.
Okay, that costs me $1.
$1? I put $1 in already.
Oh, wait. Me no. Here it is.
Where?
Grab it.
What? How you get out of the machine? That's a real. That's a machine head. Hey, give me my candy. All right, 3 musketeer. Yay! Thank you. And you said buy one get one free. Computer, hello, computer.
Ding ding.
Oh, there you are.
Receive my money.
Okay, you said buy one get one free. Okay, I
I
want.
said buy one I said buy one get one buy one.
Huh? I don't get that one. You got buy one get one to buy one? No, I thought you said get one, but you get one. No, buy one get one free. I want a water. Where's water? You got Coca-Cola, Pepsi. There's no water. Do you have water?
Push any button.
Okay. I'll put Coke.
Okay, here comes Coke. Here you go.
That's not water. That's orange. How do I drink it? Squeeze it like this in my mouth? Like that?
Yeah.
No, can I have my water, please?
You said Coca-Cola, so push Coca-Cola.
There you go. No water?
Wait, let me see. Receive. Ding 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 ding.
All right, water. What? Give me my water.
water.
Computer, give me my water. I got my water. Yeah.
Yeah, I got my water.
Oh, let's go, baby Seth. Vending machine's coming. Go, baby Seth. Go, baby Seth. Bye, vending machine. Thank you for the water and candy bar. Bye. All right, I got my 3 musketeer. Yay, baby Seth, and water for SuperBaby Color. Okay, let's go see SuperBaby Color. Yeah, baby Seth. Big brother, we got your baby Seth. Got your 3 musketeers. Here you go. Oh, open up to the 3 musketeers. Let's try it. You like 3 musketeers?
No.
Taste it. You like it? All right, let me taste it.
Bananas.
You want banana? Okay. So you got your water. You got your water, and you got your 3 musketeers. And baby Seth is happy. He's ready to go home. Okay, SuperBaby Color, what you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, McDonald.
Hi, sir. What do you like to order? Like this.
Wow, you got a lot of selection here. Wow, you got a double cheeseburger, you got a regular cheeseburger hamburger, and you got a, what is this? Apple pie or cheesecake?
What?
Right here, this is cheesecake or apple pie?
Let me see. Which one do you say?
Right here, is this cheesecake or apple pie?
Apple pie.
Oh, apple pie, and this is sundae, right?
Yeah, Sunday cream.
And this is a chicken nugget,
Yeah.
French fry,
Yep.
and soda,
Yep.
and milk, chocolate milk, right?
Yeah, chocolate milk.
Wow, so let me see. I want to order. Let's see, a hamburger, cheeseburger, and French fry and chocolate milk. What do I pay you?
Huh?
What do I pay you?
Here.
Oh, here? Oh, okay. I see. It's like a vending machine, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you might have to get in first, though. Don't you have to get inside?
No.
No? Okay, here we go. I put my money in. Here you go. I got
It's in an auto go.
my $1 here. Here you go. It's not going in. There you go.
It's stuck right now.
Okay. Oh, what the? It's not going in. Let me fix it. Okay, here you go. Okay, it should work now. Huh? It's not going in. Try this way. Made it a wrong way.
There you go, auto.
It worked, yeah. I said, so it was $2, you say?
Yeah, it was $2.
Okay, I got my down here. Okay. All right. Okay, then I push button here?
Yeah.
Okay, let me push cheeseburger,
Yep.
French fry,
Yep.
chocolate milk. Okay.
Here it is.
You can cook. You have it. You gotta cook it first, huh? Oh, you're cooking it. Oh, you gotta turn your flame on first, don't you? Oh, I see. Oh, that's the meat you're cooking, huh? Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna put the salt on.
Is that the salt?
Yeah, that's the salt. Oh no, it's red. That means it's ran out.
Oh, it ran out. Okay, get some more. You get some more salt. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this one is red. Not red. Okay.
Oh, the meat almost looked done, huh? Look at that. Wow.